In this video, we will learn how to find out sum of interior angles of polygons. Polygons means a figure with many sides, just like your triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. No? So poly means many, cons means sides. Okay, so we'll learn how to find out sum of all interior angles of a figure when its number of sides would be given. Okay, so far you know that the sum of three angles of a triangle sum up to 180 degree. And how did you establish that? We actually established that through paper tearing. Let's see it once again. So here we have a triangle with the corners A, B and C. And what are we gonna do? We are going to cut these corners up. Okay. Now let's take angle A. Okay, and let's keep it like this. Let's keep it like this. This is our first angle. Okay. Now let's take B. So it's aligned here. Now let's take C. Let's fix it here. What can you see? Can you see there is a straight line down here? Okay. What does this mean? That the sum of these three angles sum up to 180 degrees. So sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now we will use the same result to find out the sum of interior angles of any polygon. So let's take a first polygon as a polygon with four sides. What are its four angles? If you see carefully, the four angles here are these, this, and this one. Okay, so these are the four angles. To find out its sum, what are we gonna do? We are going to draw a diagonal of this quadrilateral. What does diagonal means? Diagonal means a line segment joining the opposite vertex. Let's stand on any vertex of the quadrilateral. If there are four vertex means the corners. Okay, so there are four vertex or four vertices. Vertices is the plural for vertex. So if you join from this vertex to this vertex, you'll get the side of the polygon. Here also the side, but if you join the opposite, then you'll get the diagonal. Okay, so we have to draw a diagonal of the quadrilateral. What happened now? These four angles actually got divided into six, and we know the sum of all these six angles. This plus this is 180, and this plus this is again 180. That means the sum of six angles is equals to 180 two times, means 180 into 2, that means 360, and all these six angles are actually equals to sum of all these six angles equals to the sum of these four angles. No, this is one, this is second, and these two are making this angle, these two are making this. So by using angle sum property of triangle, we got to know that the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is actually 360. Because sum of interior angles of two triangles is equals to sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral. So 180 into 2, 360. So this is how we can find out the sum of interior angles of any polygon. Okay, but beware, we have to draw diagonals very carefully. Why? See, we can draw this is again the same quadrilateral, and we can draw actually two diagonals. Okay, so do we have to draw both of them? Means if any figure is given, if a 10-sided figure is given, we have to draw all the diagonals. Okay, let's see what happens here. Here instead of two, we have four triangles. Okay, And what are the and what is the angle sum property of triangle? 180 degree. And the sum of all, because there are 4 triangles, so the sum of all 12 angles, okay, is actually gonna be 180 into 4. Now 4, because there are 4 triangles, so each 180, so 180 into 4, it is 720, which is different from this. So which one is correct? Obviously this one, because we have full proved it. No, here you can see the so this is also the angle of a triangle, but not of the quadrilateral. This is also, this is also, this is also. Okay, so here we had the 6 angles of the triangle, and here we have how many? 1 2 3 means we have 12. Okay, um, so what is extra? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we do not have any problem with these 8 angles, because the sum of these 8 angles is actually equals to the sum of the 4 angles of quadrilateral. But these one angle from each triangle is here. Okay, so this is extra. So what is the sum of all 4 angles here? That it's 360. So if we subtract 360 from here, we will get again 360. From all 720, we can subtract this, we'll get 360 again equals to this. Okay, but why to draw 2 diagonals when one diagonal was not putting us in any trouble? By drawing 2 diagonals, we have issues, no, because sum of interior angles of 4 triangle is not equals to sum of interior angles of the quadrilateral. Okay, they were extra also. So we have to draw the quadrilateral diagonals carefully. And what do we have to take in mind? See, why did this situation arise? Because diagonal intersected, and therefore many angles formed here, and they contributed to the angles of the triangle. They increased the triangle and thereby increasing the extra angles. Okay, so whenever we have any 10-sided polygon, we have to draw the diagonals. Many diagonals can be drawn. Okay, in a 10-sided polygon or 12-sided, whatever, many diagonals can be drawn, but we have to make sure that the diagonals should not intersect. Okay, and how can we avoid intersecting of those diagonals? Let's see here. Here we have a 8-sided polygon. Okay, we can join from here to here. Okay, then we can join from here to here, but in that ways the diagonals will intersect. We have to avoid it, so we have just fix on one point. Okay, let's here, and let's start drawing the diagonals. First diagonal, we won't join this, we'll leave this because this is the side only. Let's join here, one vertex, the other, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so we can join here and see what did we get. We got the triangles. There is no intersection of diagonals, and all the angles of triangles are actually the angles of see, octagon only. Okay, so the one angle of all the triangles are making one angle of the octagon. This is also the angle of octagon. These two angles adding up to one of the angle of the octagon. Here also, similarly here, here, and this one. Okay, so how many angles are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, because there were 6 triangles. Okay, there were 6 triangles. Now what's the angle sum property of 6 triangles? Very simple, 6 into 180. And what is the sum of all interior angles of the octagon? It is also 6 into 180, because there are 6 triangles are formed. Okay, how will we get to know? Do we always have to draw the polygon? No, we can see a pattern here. How come 6 here? Okay, see, this is one of the vertex. Okay, we cannot join to the adjacent vertex. No, we cannot join here and we cannot join here. Okay, but this can be joined to rest of the, because there are 8, 3 are not involved in a way. Okay, so how many? This is one diagonal. Okay, so this is actually joined to 5 5 vertices, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 partitions, that means 6 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so how many triangles there are? 6. In quadrilateral, how many triangle was there? 2. And in 8-sided figure, there are 6. They are actually 2 less. 2 less the number of sides. Okay, means if there are 10-sided figure, the number of triangles will be 10 minus 2, that means 8. Okay, if they are 100-sided figure, the number of triangles are gonna be 100 minus 2, which is 98. Okay, you can see in a 4-sided figure there were 2. No, in 8-sided figure there were 2 less, that means 6. Okay, let's authenticize this also. We have one more. This is 9-sided polygon. 1 2 3 9, and let's count them. 9 minus 2 is 7, so there should be 7 triangles. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so there are 7 triangles. And what's gonna be the sum of the all 9 angles? Okay, so sum of all 9 angles, sum of all 9 angles, or sum of 9 angles of a polygon, no, 9 angles of a nonagon is gonna be equals to 7 into, it's not 9 into 180, because we multiply 180 by the number of triangles, and number of triangles are 2 less. Okay, so 180 into 7, which can be easily calculated, 180 degree 7 times. Okay, so what did we conclude? Sum of interior angles of a n-sided polygon, if there are n sides, so number of triangles are gonna be n minus 2 and into 180. So in a way we created an algebraic formula for the sum of interior angles of a n-sided polygon. So if it is a 10-sided polygon, then 10 minus 2 into 180. 12-sided, then 12 minus 2 into 180. So that's all for this video. Thank you.